Have you wondered why Dove Dash is the talk all the time on YouTube now? Everywhere you go, you'll be seeing Dove Dash, Dove Dash. If you don't know her, she's a YouTuber like you and I. And she's 40 years plus. So for you saying, I am old, I can't be a YouTuber, you are still young. You can still do it. I've seen so many women at 65, 60, they are doing YouTube, they are YouTubers. So you as well, you can do it no matter the nature of your job. If you want to do it and you call it a job, you also do it. So guys, I've been following her for long. When she has not less than, is it 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers, but all of a sudden she's now having 40 something thousand subscribers. I was like, wow. Do you know the things that help her to achieve this? Number one of them is originality. She is original. In this YouTube, you have to be original. Don't copy anybody. Don't be like anybody, or don't try to please people. You understand? Be yourself. As I am now, whether I make up or I no make up, I must record my video and upload. That is one thing with me. Like me, I love making up before, but I married someone that doesn't like too much makeup, and that has even made me, I can't remember the last time I make up. Once I take my bath, and that's it. So being original is very, very important. She's original. So that's what helps her. That's why people love watching her videos. Sometimes you will see her, she records her video inside the car. Sometimes you see her, she will not even put any lipstick. So she will, if sometimes you will even see her, she will be putting on the lipstick in her car to show you how original she is. And she's so happy. She's a free human being. So however you are in real life, in this YouTube street, bring it out. If you're a funny person, be funny while recording your video. If you're a happy person, be happy while recording your video. However you are in your real life, showcase it in this YouTube street, and you will see how you will blow. That is one secret I've learned from her. And you need to be watching other people for you to grow. And I've learned a lot of things on her channel. The second thing that helped her is she was so gratitude. Any little thing she gets, she must show appreciation. She must express her gratitude. So learn to show gratitude for any little thing that you get from this YouTube street. Whether someone sends you money, even if it is 1,000 naira, show appreciation for it. It is very, very important. All right. The third thing that helped her is being consistent. Yes, consistency is not only when some people will say, yeah, if you post today, you won't post again till maybe 1 week, you're consistent. I don't believe in that. When you're consistent in something, especially in this content creation, is you post today, tomorrow you post, next tomorrow you post, if possible, according to your time, according to your strength. If you will be able to post 2 or 3 videos in a day, you can go ahead and do it. Because once you're posting regularly, YouTube will start recommending your video to people. If you go to her channel, you will see at times she will post up to 3 videos in a day. And you know, when you're doing that, YouTube will say, this person is serious, let me push out his or her video. So try to emulate her. I've started emulating her. I'll be putting on content, you understand, every time. So you make sure that you emulate her by posting consistently. You can go live, you can post on your community, you can post on your short, you can post on your long form video. All of them are posting. Make sure that you be consistent on your channel. This will help you and I. All right. I'm so much happy about our progress, and I pray that each and every one of us who is struggling to reach that level will also reach it. Oh my God, when I saw it's growing, I was so happy. Oh, I pray that God will make Blessed Rock and Solid to grow like this. And I pray for each and every one of us that will grow like her. Alright? So, guys, in case you're coming across my video for the first time, I am Blessed Rock and Solid, a YouTuber, a content creator. So do well to like my videos, share my videos. I do videos about Facebook tutorials and YouTube tips. I also share my lifestyle at times. So whenever you see my videos, please do well to like, comment, watch. Bye guys. See you all in my next one.